Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are near the end of our Tolar project. We are backfilling. If you notice, the whole entire cavity isn't full of gravel. Why? Because I don't need it. And since I don't need it, it's a lot of money to throw away. So 12 to 18 inches is enough. It always goes a little bit past, which is not a problem. But the main thing is filling up the entire cavity. That gravel over there is very expensive, so to use more than what you have to is just a waste of money. And you can see we have our plastic out because it's about to rain. And what we don't want is we don't want all our mud to wash into our drain. So we're going to put plastic over the top. So water will roll into here, but then it'll run into the gravel bed. But the main thing to notice is that we didn't go all the way up the entire wall. And the reason is because this is a bunker. And if it's going to be a bunker, it may be another 3 or 4 weeks before they actually pour the top of that. And all this area is going to be built up. So if we backfill this wall all the way up to the top, which eventually will be done, it'll put a lot of undue pressure on our basement walls. And you can see cracking in a matter of weeks. So what you do is you go a little bit past halfway up your wall, and you wait until you're ready to start tying the rest of it in. And then when you do, it's okay for you to go on and backfill up much higher. But other than that, it's rather be safe than sorry. So now, if there was any tie holes, we can reach them very easily now because this wall is about 13 feet tall, and that was pretty tall to be reaching. So now we don't have to worry about it. Now we can touch up any areas that need to be touched up. As you can see, it will stop right there down at the bottom. And now we can just touch up the very end. So let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please comment, like, and subscribe to thebasementkings.net. Thank you, and have an excellent day.